Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Tracy and she's come in for a redesign. So she's a 4-weeker. She comes to me once a month and they're always still great. So we removed her previous design back down to the clear layer. Done all the prep and now we're going in with our design. So I'm using my size 12 Tracy Loo brush throughout this set. So the baby finger was Cinnamon from CJP, and then on the ring finger here it was Nude from CJP, but we do go over this, so I love this colour but we did want it a little bit more darker, so we went over it. You'll see in a bit. So yeah, just a full nail of this colour. I've really been loving my size 12. Don't know why I've only been using my 10. I'm off my head. But anyway, yeah, my size 12. I have obviously used my size 12, but I just always seem to reach my size 10. But I loved using this size today. It's just the perfect size, really. So yeah, just a full nail of this nude colour. And then what do we do on the middle finger? I'm not sure. I didn't want to stop and start, but we're taking a long time. I'll be back in a minute. Oh yeah, that's it. I remember now. It's because she had the same colours on her nails, but they were different on each hand. So I was just trying to remember what it was. So we're coming in with my glitter called Pinecone. How do you describe this glitter? I don't even know. It's got like a coffee brown. What am I doing? Coming out with these names. It's like I'd say like a brown, holographic. There's a few little slices of fine orange holographic in there. It's like a mixture of colours, but it's lovely. And I named it Pinecone because I tried to stick with an autumnal theme with my autumnal glitters that I brought out, and I really thought Pinecone worked well. So yeah, just a full nail of that on the middle finger and then also on the pointer. So then the thumb again was just that cinnamon colour. I didn't work very great. Well, that's a lie. A little bit sloppy, only because we're always in a rush with Trace because she's a hairdresser and she just runs out on her lunch. So most of the time we've got an hour. Some of the times she comes in, she goes, I've got 45 minutes. But believe me, I get it done. We get it done, but maybe she doesn't have anything fancy. She just has like a plain colour with glitter on her ring finger or something. But yeah, we're usually in a rush. So yeah, back to this colour. So then I come in and I picked up this is Flawless from Naio Nails. Oh right, oh my god, if you have not got Flawless from Naio Nails in your acrylic collection, you need to go out now and buy it. So I think Naio Nails is so cheap as well, but this Flawless colour is so amazing on like darker skin tones. It just works so well, so great to work with as well. I can't even describe to you. If you've got it, you know what I mean. It's like, no, can't even describe it. It's just great. It's just an all-round great acrylic. So yeah, that's Flawless. Go and get it. You're not going to be disappointed. So now we're just going to come in and cap all the nails in crystal glass. So we skipped the filing again. Sorry, I will leave it in on another one. But now we're going straight in with top coat. So CJP attack free top gloss as per, and we're just going to apply a thin layer of that over all her nails. She'll cure it in my Sun 5 LED lamp. No, I always say that. I have got my Sun 5, but I'm using my Magpie Beauty lamp at the moment. So yeah, she'll cure it in there for 60 seconds and then we are good to go. So thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.